Master the art of being a fierce boss at work and an enchanting goddess at home. Unlock the feminine energy that fuels your power, success, and irresistible allure. Meet Jasmine, a successful entrepreneur. On the outside, she had it all, the kind of job where the world saw her as a powerhouse. She made deals, led teams, and walked into every room with a level of confidence that commanded attention. But behind the closed doors of her office, Jasmine was a mess. Her thoughts were a whirlwind. She felt drained, overwhelmed, and detached from the life she truly craved. Success at work came at a cost. Her personal life was falling apart. Her home, the one place where she once found peace, felt like an empty shell. Even though she was living the dream professionally, it felt like something was missing. Her relationships were strained, and the woman who once nurtured her home and family now barely had the energy to pick up the phone. Jasmine's battle was more than just career pressure. It was a mental struggle, an internal battle to prove to herself that she could be everything: strong, powerful, successful, and still have the softness, grace, and joy of a woman who truly embraced her feminine energy. The pressure built until one day, it all came crashing down. She found herself in tears at her desk, questioning if she could ever have both. Then, one pivotal moment changed everything. Jasmine discovered the secret that so many women miss, the key to balancing power with softness, success with inner peace. It was the understanding of her own feminine energy. Through a mix of small but profound shifts, Jasmine began to tap into that energy, at work, at home, and within herself. She learned to embrace her power without sacrificing her softness. She transformed into the version of herself she had always dreamed of, a boss at work and a goddess at home. Jasmine became the embodiment of what it means to live a life of balance, power, and fulfillment. But it wasn't just about feeling better. Jasmine's success skyrocketed. She felt more energized, more aligned, and most importantly, she felt whole. Radiant Rebels, if you're like Jasmine, if you feel like you're sacrificing too much for the success you crave, then this video is for you. Let's explore how to tap into your own feminine energy, to create the life you deserve, where you can be both powerful and soft, thriving in every area of your life. Before we dive in, share this video with a friend who needs to hear this, and make sure to subscribe, so we can help you along your journey to becoming the boss and goddess you were always meant to be. Understanding feminine energy and masculine energy. Feminine energy is the natural power you already carry within you, Radiant Rebel. It's that inner force that's soft, intuitive, nurturing, and creative. Every woman has it, whether you're aware of it or not. Feminine energy isn't just about being gentle or loving, it's the energy of magnetism and attraction. When you tap into it, you become magnetic, effortlessly drawing success, opportunities, and the right people into your life. But let's talk about masculine energy for a second. It's the driving force behind ambition, discipline, and structure. While feminine energy allows you to flow and connect, masculine energy helps you channel that flow into action. It's the balance of both energies that create a powerful, unstoppable force. By understanding and mastering both, you empower yourself to thrive both at home and at work, making your life not only successful but deeply fulfilling. Feminine energy at work, owning your space. You can infuse feminine energy into your career in ways that make you stand out, Radiant Rebel. You don't have to be rigid or aggressive to succeed in a professional environment. Feminine energy at work means leaning into your natural charisma, your intuitive sense of people, and your ability to nurture those around you while still getting things done. It's the ability to be soft but assertive, creative but driven. Now, about that masculine energy, it's important to acknowledge the role it plays in your career as well. Embracing the parts of you that are decisive, focused, and confident can help you rise as a leader, a CEO, or anything else you desire. The key is knowing when to switch between these energies, using your feminine power to lead with grace and your masculine energy to drive forward action. That's how you create a leadership presence that's both unstoppable and inspiring. Feminine energy at home, embracing the soft life. Your home is your sanctuary, radiant rebel. It's the place where your feminine energy can truly bloom. Creating a space that feels peaceful and expressive is key to nurturing your mind and body. This is where you recharge, where you embrace softness and calm, and where you can focus on self-care. Slowing down at home isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. When you nurture yourself and take time to simply be, you replenish the energy you need to show up fully in your career and personal life. Whether it's through a cozy evening, reading, meditating, or spending time with loved ones, embracing a slower pace at home helps you maintain the balance you need to succeed. It's not about doing everything, it's about doing the right things with purpose and intention. By blending both feminine and masculine energy in the right spaces, you can elevate your life to new levels of success and fulfillment. Remember, it's all about balance, and finding your rhythm will allow you to shine like never before. Practical tips to channel feminine energy every day. Radiant rebels, embracing your feminine energy every day doesn't have to be complicated. It's about simple rituals and habits that connect you with your inner power. Start each morning with a few minutes of reflection or affirmation. Set the tone for your day by envisioning yourself embodying the grace, confidence, and charisma that comes with your feminine energy. Throughout your day, stay mindful of your boundaries. Being nurturing doesn't mean overextending yourself. Practice saying no when you need to, and make self-care a priority. It's about creating a routine that supports both your career and your personal well-being. Whether you're taking a break to recharge or taking the time to plan your next big move, every small habit strengthens your ability to live in alignment with your energy. The power of softness, why it's not weakness. There's a misconception that power means being hard, rigid, or unyielding. But true power, radiant rebel, lies in embracing your softness. Being soft doesn't mean being weak. In fact, it's the opposite. Softness is where vulnerability, compassion, and nurturing begin. These qualities create deep connections, foster trust, and bring out the best in others. Softness doesn't make you less powerful, it makes you more powerful in a way that's grounded, magnetic, and fulfilling. The strength to show up authentically, to be nurturing while still setting boundaries, leads to real success, wealth, and satisfaction. When you embrace the soft life, you unlock a new level of power that attracts everything you desire. Real-life examples of feminine energy in action. Let's take a look at powerful women who embody both feminine and masculine energy with grace. Think of leaders like Oprah Winfrey or Maya Angelou. They have mastered the art of balancing their careers, homes, and personal lives, all while staying connected to their feminine energy. These women lead with compassion, intuition, and grace, proving that success doesn't have to be at odds with softness. Their journeys show us that feminine energy isn't just about being nurturing, it's a tool for creating lasting impact. By embracing both the nurturing side of yourself and the assertive side, you can build a life that's both successful and deeply fulfilling. Radiant Rebels, we'd love to hear from you. How do you balance your own life with feminine energy? Do you have any daily tips or rituals that help you stay in tune with your energy? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's create a community where we support each other and keep growing in our power together. Own your feminine power. Remember, Radiant Rebels, being both powerful and soft isn't just possible, it's the key to a truly fulfilling life. You don't have to choose between being a boss and being a goddess. You can be both. Embrace the balance of strength and softness within you, and watch how your world transforms. Your feminine energy is your secret weapon, and when you own it, there's nothing you can't achieve.